Welcome to Croatia! Guys, pabiyahe na kami mamaya ni Martin papuntang Zadar. Yan, mag-harvest kami ng gulay dito sa farm ng tatay niya. Para may stock kami doon. Right? Even if you don't understand.
I know that we go harvest, but you say this. Gulay vegetable.
Yes.
You see that thing?
He knows. Kasi nasasayang lang yung gulay dito. Wala namang kumukuha.
Silang bag.
Daming grapes dito, guys. See? All wild grapes. There.
Don't show.
This, you see, there's a lot of wild grapes here. Is it sweet now? May apple pa dun, oh. Manguha kami niyan. O, diba? Napakadami. Ito naman, green grapes. Manguha na naman siya yan, oh. Let's see. Sweet. Sarap. Pumpkin dito. Ayaw ni Martin. Yan daw ito maganda. Pero sa akin good pa yan. This good pumpkin.
Bad. And green, it's bad.
And daw good. Maybe.
Must be easier, it's hard.
Yeah.
You can
Daming kamatis dito kasi mga bulok na. Kunin lang namin yung pwede pa. Mga green. Ang daming kamatis, oh. Sayang.
bad.
We will see something here. Sayang, oh, mga bulok na, oh, sayang. Ang lalaki pa naman ng kamatis. No. On that. This. This will turn red after a few days. This.
Yes, but
Sayang. Lalaki. Lalaki, tinan nyo naman, guys. Wait lang. Ang dami pa. Yan. Go. Ito mga bagong tanim. Papula pa lang sila. You can take that big green because it will turn red in a few days. Trust me.
they will kill me.
Hmm?
They will kill me.
Hello guys, nandito na kami sa Sadar ngayon. Umalis kami kagabi 10 PM. Nakarating kami ngayon 6 AM. Nandito na kami sa workplace ni Martin. Ito na yung binibidyo-video na dati. Yan ang dagat doon. Ang ganda ng view dito. Papakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Ayan. Pagbukas mo pa lang ng itong kwarto ni Martin. Pagbukas mo pa lang ng bintana. Boom. Seaside. Pero hindi kami titira dito. Doon kami titira sa apartment na hinanap ng boss ni Martin. At alam ko mas malapit sa dagat yun. Mas maganda doon. Tsaka maganda daw kasi solo namin yung apartment. Kasi dito kasama niya mga katrabaho niya. Wala kaming privacy. Chari! Yan, ang ganda-ganda. Ay, may ibon pa lumilipad oh. Ganda-ganda dito, guys. Guys, papunta kami ni Martin sa seaside. Tutor namin kayo doon. Andyan yung seaside. See you in a bit. Ito, wait lang. Papakita ko sa inyo dito sa bintana. Dito sa kwarto ni Martin, makikita mo na yung seaside. Punta kami dyan habang naghihintay kami sa boss niya kasi lilipat na kami mamaya sa apartment. Dito kami dumiretso sa workplace niya kung saan siya natutulog before. And, yun. Hinintay lang namin yung boss niya para doon na kami mag-unpack ng mga gamit. Pupunta tayo dyan. Tutur ko kayo dyan. Let's go! Guys, ayun yung apartment. Tapo na. Ayun yung apartment. Andyan kami kanina. Ayun yung window sa may kanan. And dito kami papunta. Sa likod. Sa likod ng apartment. Magsa-sightseeing lang kami ni Martin habang wala pa siyang pasok. Bukas may pasok na siya. Ako lang mag-isa sa apartment. Pero wait, this is ano oh.
Yes.
Dalandan. Wow. I didn't know that you have this kind of citrus here.
Yes. It's a lot of in this park
Oh.
of Croatia. A lot.
Yan
Almost
mga bahay
everyone killed
dito.
it.
Yeah. Pare-parehas yung mga bahay dito. Nakakalito. Pero mga kalsada na pala ito. Parang private property. This is apartment. Puro apartment na yung mga nakatira dito kasi malapit sa seaside. Siguro yung maybe the owner of this house is living in the countryside now.
Good grapes.
Oh yeah! Look at this grapes. Oh, so good. Dami. Oh. Free grapes. Bakod lang nila yung grapes.
Free lighter. Look behind the tree.
Yeah. Ano
You
na
see
punta?
this what you see in my uncle garden.
Yeah.
And you know what it
I
is?
like this flower. Oh, ang ganda oh.
You know what it is?
Peach? Oh, may peach
No.
dito. What's that?
I don't know how to tell, but this is inside the
Pomegranate.
red. Yes,
Ah.
this is what you say big.
Ah.
It's
But
not this little.
that's not big. It should be like this.
Yes, it's growing more.
Oh.
And then it's inside the
Yeah, small little
small
something. Yeah.
red. Yeah.
Mm. Nagre-record lang kami kasi para di kami maligaw. Baka maligaw na naman kasi kami. Ay, baka maligaw kami. Because when Martin go there before, he lost.
This same road.
Like, he doesn't know how to come back anymore. I said, what the fuck?
This is the oil.
Olive oil.
Yes, olive.
Olive, not oil.
Yes,
It's still
yes,
olive.
olive.
Daming olives. Oh.
This
this-
is only this part of Croatia.
This country is so rich.
Yes. And you see this
Oh,
inside the
they're making meat.
yes, this meat,
Mm.
dry meat. And this stuff. And a lot of
Another
crocodiles.
olive. Olives, ang dami. Ang laki ng cactus nila dun, oh. Cactus.
Yes, yes, a lot. Come on the left. Very yeah.
Ulitsa. Ulitsa. Ulitsa.
Arbanasta ulica.
Ulitsa.
You can see here scorpions.
Hmm, really?
Yes. And a lot of lizards. And a lot of snakes.
Really? And you said there's no snakes here.
No, in this part, sure.
What the fuck?
But less in Orba.
I don't think so.
What?
It's more on...
No. Here is
Trees.
there more. And you can see example here maybe inside this
Hmm,
grass. or
napakaingay
somewhere.
ng ano? Cricket. Ewan ko naririnig nyo. Grabe.
They are annoying.
Dalandan, oh. Dalandan tree. Ang dami. Dalandan pala dito. Uy, bell pepper lalaki. Tomatoes is dry.
Oh.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Putagis ka.
I'm joking. I know where are I already know everything. Yes. I passed all this.
Look at this white stone.
see.
White
I want
stone.
a lot of these
Yeah,
stones that I bring home.
yeah.
I can make wall and a lot of
Yeah, it's good for wall.
they are here triangle. Everything.
Yeah,
They don't know
we need
where.
a tractor and pick this up.
No, I need a truck,
Hmm.
big truck that bring me there. But
Mm,
it's pay a lot.
I think it's here. I saw boats there already.
No, this is just also. You still need to pass some one part. This is the train station. Old train station. You see how people boat.
Meron silang ano,
Then they
parking para sa boat. I don't know how much cost this one boat. It's million. Also,
like this one, new one from the store, it's 5,000 euro.
this is 5,000 euro. How much is it in Philippine peso? It's like 300 something plus 350,000 pesos.
I don't know.
Oh my god, we can't even afford to buy 1 kilo of rice. Charot.
This is the most cheapest that you can, or second hand,
Yeah.
without equipment. Equipment can cost you 10,000 or 15,000 euro.
Mm,
This is already all 1 million pesos.
yeah. Oh, tragis. Where are we going?
We are
Ano to?
passing there.
Lumang
Yeah,
train
there.
station. Sabi ni Marty. You see? I'm seeing a lot of boats now from on this side.
Now you'll be able to see.
I will see.
You'll be able to see.
Don't make me see. Beautiful country.
So now go down, then
Another olives.
again up.
Here? Here on this top.
Down. Then we will go again up.
Mm.
Here it's first what I show you when I come here.
Ganda nito, oh. They have cactus here. I don't know what's this tree. It's beautiful. And they have more olives here. Wow. This owner should be rich. Making olive in a jar. Ah, it's there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, someone is there.
Swimming inside. His dog is in here.
Wow, beautiful.
Then we will go up, then go on this part there.
Ah, the smell of the sea. It's so good. Oh, it's so clear here. You see? Like if there's a fish here, you can catch and
Don't that fell down your phone.
I know.
Look, fish. Little fish.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of fish there. Oh, dami oh. Hoy, dami nila maliliit. Paano kayang kaisda yan?
You see how much? Look here.
Wow, dilis. Wow. Can we catch it?
No.
And I will make torta with this.
Look.
Ang dami! Guys, napakadaming isda, oh.
A lot of fish.
I can make
They-
torta with this.
They come to eat here.
Dami, oh.
Look how much food.
Oh, chefs, ang dami nila. Oh my gulay.
Here, so much spicy.
That's a lot. I can make torta with this.
Look,
Oh,
look.
someone is catching them.
No, big fish.
Oh,
Big fish catching this small fish.
grabe, napakalinis. Kitang-kita mo yung ilalim. I can make ulam with it, with this fish, love.
No, this is too much small.
Yes, you can. We can. Like we will just put flour, salt, and pepper. It's really good, love. Ganda dito, Shems. Someone swimming there. Love,
Don't fall down, please.
you are in the slippery
Yes.
part.
But you don't fall down.
Hindi na ako ginawa ko. Sobrang excited magdagat.
Cold.
Not much. Not much. Grabe, oh. Napakalinaw. We can...
No, for me it's cold.
It's not. It's not cold.
You will see another part.
Which one?
Don't go here.
I know, it's slippery. Where we go?
There, another part. You see the woods.
Oh,
Because here it's all private.
oh.
You see something like that for 5,000 euro.
Which one? Ah, this. Wait. Sabi ni Martin, yung ganito kalaki. 5,000 euro. And it's
If
good
you
for
bed,
two.
One bed inside.
One bed, then it's good for two.
Yes. Or something like that.
Where we go?
You can pass here. I already know shortcut.
Really?
I don't know if you remember when
Well,
I told you.
yeah, when you're lost here.
Yes. You see that?
Ganda, guys. You see? Oh, it's really good to be here.
Look how much this big.
Yeah, there's a big boat there.
This boat is going to many countries.
Yeah,
America.
for tourists.
Yes. All countries passing.
Mm.
All the world.
Pinaliligo doon, oh.
Swimming there.
Yeah, yeah. So, ang ganda, chefs.
another part, very big. There's the big boats.
Bango.
And it smells fresh.
Yeah. Napakaganda, guys. I want to swim now.
Why? Okay, if you want, don't swim. You
Then-
can swim here.
No. We don't have
You see.
clothes.
Here.
Oh. Someone swimming there. Napakaganda, guys. So refreshing. Yung simoy ng dagat, napakabango. Ay, may ibon to, malaki. Napakadaming iba't ibang ibon dito sa kanila. Grabe kalinaw ng tubig. The sad part is your beach here doesn't have sand. It's all stones.
Some places.
Can we go here?
Yes.
There's something there.
This is shortcut. Be careful.
Shortcut.
This is all the objects from military.
Ah. Sayang naman tong place na to. Ang ganda dito. Huh? Yeah, but if you just clean this up, this good spot.
From themselves.
No one lives here.
Their stuff when they
And, oh shit. Ah, we're here now. Ang ganda. Look at this white stone, it's so beautiful. Here.
I don't like you see bad stones.
Yeah. This can scratch you. I can't go there.
But I know where it's so much better.
Where?
In another part.
Hmm.
But we can go now. It's far.
Yeah. Ang ganda dito. Hmm? Yeah. I can't go there because I'm wearing shoes. And I can't take off my shoes because it's stone. There's a lot of stone.
Can you go inside with this shoes?
Huh?
Can you go inside with this shoes?
Can I go inside? Like I can... No! No. Let's see what we can see here. this is kind of the stone that they are breaking. Charot. They cut it to half. Daming suso. Oh. Suso.
This.
What's that? No, it's not the oyster.
And you can grab maybe under the stone.
Yeah, maybe.
They used
Oh,
to
there's a lot oh.
do something around.
Dami suso. In the afternoon, we can come here in the afternoon and look for
Yeah.
something. Ah, my shade. Nag-enjoy yung mga bata. Hmm? Ganda ng mga bato na to. Oh. What are you looking? You're looking for oyster? Crabs? I don't... In the afternoon, love. Not at this hour.
But too much better that there.
Where?
It's not cold. See, it's not cold. There is cold water.
Huh? What?
Wow.
Oh, careful! Kasama natin yan. Welcome to Croatia! That's enough, love.
Very
Stay
good.
walk. Yeah.
This part before when I was here, it's more water.
Yeah.
In the field. Do you remember when I was
I know. Yeah. Dito siya dati nagbibideo-video. Lakas ng hangin. I think there's a lot of oyster here. Come here. You see?
I think. But this is white. Is it?
I don't know.
Maybe.
It's oyster.
So it's grass.
Yeah.
Lots of grass. And here again we see white. This.
Yeah. What is it?
Oh, it's not oyster. This is some.
Reefs, coral reefs. It's a coral.
See how much they go.
Yeah. Ang dami nila maliliit. Napakalinaw, grabe. We can fish here.
No, we must have license.
Really, you cannot fish here. Let's sit here, then eat snacks.
But
Let's sit here, then eat snack while eating snacks.
there you come.
I will stop now. Hello guys. Ayun, pabalik na kami ni Martin. Tapos na ang sightseeing namin. Hanggang doon na lang ang vlog namin. Please make sure to subscribe, follow, like, and share this video for more videos from Croatia. See you in our next video. Babush!
Babush.